Please. Few races scheduled after the race, so it would be great to start our ceremony as soon as possible. spectators from around the country, I would like to introduce you to my beautiful friend and director of Amir Classic Club, who has worked hard day and night to bring this championship as a great experience for all of us, Ms. Grishma Patil, as my companion host for this evening.
Thank you, Vihangi. Miss Vihangi Nagda has represented our country at an international arena and is an auxiliary chief referee for the ongoing championship. I would also introduce you to Mr. Upesh Baria, who is also a director of Amaya Classic Club and my co-host for this evening. I am highly honored to speak today on behalf of Amaya Classic Club. The synthetic bank track, which all the valued guests can witness here, is the first of its kind in our country. Also, the circuit road, which is adjacent to the pond, is the fourth in the world. My dad has always been of an opinion that kids today are turning into couch potatoes due to the idiot box and the internet. Participation in field events makes kids energetic, builds stamina and sharpens their reflexes. This makes them brighter in all aspects of life. For your information, Vasai Virar Municipal Corporation was the only corporation from Maharashtra state to be chosen under Satellite Township program of the Union government. We pledge to bring Vasai Virar region on the global chart in socio-economic and cultural fields. This is one of the steps to bring a sporting event in our region so that the citizens, especially the youths, will get the opportunity to prove their talents in international sports. I invite Mr. Upesh to carry on.
Thanks, Rishma. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Amaya Classic Club. We have amongst us the Miss Gleice Cani from Brazil, who is a sports psychologist. Gleice, please come up on stage. Yeah. Now the chief guest for the evening and the sports personality who has made our country proud. He is the Indian air rifle shooter. He was the first Indian to qualify for the London Olympics. He won the bronze medal in the men's 10-meter air rifle event at the 2012 Summer Olympics in London. His score was 701.1 on 30th July 2012. He has 8 Commonwealth golds to his credit. As a well-known sports personality and an idol to many aspiring young sportsmen present here all over India, I, on behalf of Amaya Classic Club, would like to warmly welcome Padma Shri Gagan Narang for the opening ceremony of the 50th National Speed Roller Skating Championship. Thanks.
I would also request Shri Hitendraji Thakur, President of Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, on the stage. Shri Balaram Jadhav, MP, Shri Narayan Mankar, Mayor of Vasai Virar Municipal Corporation, Shri Shitish Thakur, the youngest MLA, Shri Rupesh Jadhav, Deputy Mayor of VVMC, Shri Balasaheb Mohal, President of Vasai Taluka Kalakrida, Bhausaheb Mohal, President of Vasai Taluka Kalakrida Mahotsav Samiti, Shri Kishore Borde, Commissioner of Vasai Virar Municipal Corporation, Mr. Prem Sebastian, Honorary General Secretary of Roller Skating Federation of India, Mr. Moreshwar Baria, founder of M. Baria Developers, Mr. P.K. Singh, the President of Maharashtra Skating Federation, and Ms. Gleice Cani, our sports psychologist. Sagir Bhai Dange, ex-mayor of Virar Vasai Municipal Corporation. Additional Commissioner Mr. Rathod. On the stage, please. Also Mr. Gangaram Kaka on the stage, please. Dr. Deshmukh, Dr. Desai, Sports teacher and principal, Mr. Dutonde sir. Appaji Gharat. Also Mr. Dr. Harshavardhan Patil and Dr. Kauri, please. महिला बाल कल्याण समिति सभापति भारती देशमुख on the stage, please. Mumbai Cricket Association member Mr. Pankaj Thakur. Now I request the students of National School to please start with the theme song. We have Can we please have Mr. Umesh Naik on the stage? We are already facing some global warming, so we've decided to give a sapling rather than the bouquets to our honorary chief guest. I would request Mr. Baria to give a sapling to our chief guest, Mr. Gagan Narang. I request Mr. P.K. Singh to give a sapling to Mr. Hitendraji Thakur. Also to Mr. Bariram Jadhav. Mr. Narayan Mankar ji. MLA Shitish Thakur. Deputy Mayor Rupesh Jadhav. Shri Bhausaheb Mohar. Commissioner Kishore Borde. Additional Commissioner Mr. Rathod. Honorary Secretary Mr. Prem Sebastian. Sagir Bhai Dange, ex-mayor, ex-deputy mayor. Moreshwar Baria, founder of M. Baria Developers. Pankaj Thakur. Ms. Glacy Kenny. She's a sports psychologist from Brazil. Dr. Harshavardhan Patil. Thank you, P.K. Singh, sir. I request Mr. Upesh Baria to present to Mr. Umesh Naik. Mrs. Bharti Deshmukh. Dutonde, sir. Appaji Gharat. Gangaram Kaka. Dr. Desai. Dr. Deshmukh. Dr. Desai. And Dr. Kauri. Can I please have Dr. Prakash Vanmari and Sanjeev Patil on the stage, please? Prakash Vanmari, sir, and Sanjeev Patil on the stage, please. Dr. Purohit. Director of Viva IMS, kindly please come on the stage.